Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how November 2020 will be for Cancer or Karka Rashi natives. Firstly, the planetary positions. Venus is in the third, Sun and retrograde Mercury are in the fourth, Ketu in the fifth, Jupiter in the sixth, Saturn in the seventh, retrograde Mars in the ninth, and finally Rahu in the 11th house. So all in all, you have like two planets which are positive for you in this month, and in the second half of the month Jupiter will turn benefic. So overall, if I have to talk about it, the second half of the month will be much better than the first half of this month. There could be obstructions at workplace and in business. Health may be up and down this month. Income through foreign dealings is also noticed. There may be possibilities where you can earn through foreign connections. Spirituality, or rather you will explore your spiritual side more starting this month. This is a month where you need to be slightly careful and proceed step by step for getting better results. If I have to talk about health, bodily pain, mental worries, fever, gastric disorders or digestive disorders are seen. There could be an injury due to a fire or a vehicular accident, so pay attention there. Nothing much to worry about. You will have the support of Rahu and Venus. They will help you to recover well. Coming to career or business, for working people, the second half of the month is or will be much better than the first half of the month. Support from your seniors may be absent, so you need to take care of that. There could be some sort of objection or obstructions coming your way in finishing your tasks smoothly. So you have to be very careful and watch your words and watch your thought process also. If you are careless, it may lead to some unpleasant situations at workplace. Second half of the month may bring in some surprise, some good news. There could be a promotion which is on cards, which you are expecting. That could happen. So what you need to do this month is work diligently and hold your nerve. So it will be a better month for you. For businessmen, gains through overseas dealings will be very significant. You have to keep your anger in check to avoid frustration. Pay very close attention to the government related matters. If you are careless, you may have a lot of trouble coming your way. If you have any new plans, you can execute them in the second half of the month. New ventures or partnership, if you are planning any, I think the second half of the month will be very ideal for you. So overall, there could be one or two obstructions coming your way, but I think this will be a good month for even the businessmen. Coming to students, they may lack focus or commitment in their activities. So planning and being disciplined is the key for their success this month. Overall, if I have to talk, it's an average month. Coming to wealth, speculation specifically in the first half could bring in some losses, so be very careful. Avoid it in the first half. In the second half, you can plan some. As I told, you could gain from foreign connections or foreign dealings or foreign customers. If you are planning any big investment, hold it. Keep it to the second half of the month. Overall, I will say it's a good month. If you exercise caution in the first half, it's going to turn out well in terms of gains. Now coming to family affairs, difference of opinion with your spouse and some angry moments could be seen in this month. Elders may not really support you well, and their health may be also low, so you need to take care of them. Children also may not support you well this month. You have to live with that. Health of your sibling, brothers or your father may be kind of suddenly down, so you have to pay attention and help them out. Nextly, your interest to spirituality will rise starting now. So you may want to explore more of your spiritual side, or you may want to meet some guru or something. That could happen this month, specifically on your personal front and in your family front. Some remedies are there. Please do those remedies and make the best out of this month. Visiting Lord Subramania's temple every Tuesday is going to bring you some peace of mind. Recite or listen to Narayana Kavacham every day. So this is like a long-term remedy for you. If you can perform Annadanam or donate rice, that will help you in bringing in that prosperity. If you want to donate rice, sweets, milk and milk products, white colored clothes specifically on a Monday. That will be very helpful. Fasting on a Saturday will also give you some good results. Now Saturn is in your 7th, so doing this will definitely help you. So what I would suggest is stay focused, try to be more patient and make the best out of this month. Perform these remedies. I wish you all the best. Namaskar.